Professor Sharmishtha Atreja, an assistant professor at Delhi University's Department of Philosophy, has faced several struggles during her journey as an academician with 100% visual impairment. Now, Delhi University has added to her adversity. The Central University has imposed a fine on the visually impaired assistant professor of rupees 7 lakh for staying in the university accommodation beyond her tenure as a resident tutor. Does this point towards a larger issue with the university's inclusivity and humanitarian policies? Let us delve into Professor Atreja's timeline with me, Soumyangi Yadav, in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live. In 2015, Professor Sharmishtha Atreja joined the university as a faculty member. Being a non-native and also a young visually impaired woman, Professor Atreja had been facing difficulties finding a home for herself in the bustling city. Hence, she started writing to the university for accommodation. However, for years, she did not get any response. In 2017, she came across an opening for a resident tutorship at the university. Hoping for it to be the end of her hardships, she applied for the position and got the same in 2018. However, despite being a resident tutor, Professor Sharmishtha wasn't allotted a residence. It was only in 2021, 6 years after she had joined the university, that the university's Dean of Colleges, Professor Balram Pani, gave heed to the assistant professor's demands and allotted her a ground floor accommodation in one of the university hostels. But less than a year after her shifting to the allotted residence, the professor received an eviction letter from DU saying that she would need to vacate immediately as a new warden requires the space, even when her tenure as a resident tutor hadn't ended. Another shocker followed the assistant professor when her tenure as a resident tutor wasn't extended in March 2023 without any plausible explanation. After another round of writing to the authorities, she was given another accommodation on Delhi's Mall Road. However, Professor Atreja shared that she had to cross two main roads to get to the department, making the situation highly inconvenient. Only after being directed by the Delhi High Court, the university provided her a ground floor accommodation. However, she was slapped with a hefty fine of rupees 7 lakh for overstaying her tenure. The university, in their letter, said that the penalty has been reduced by 50% from rupees 13 lakh and that her monthly pay would be cut by 30%. Let us listen to Professor Sharmishtha herself about her experience.
Firstly, we need to see this much beyond just a financial burden. Of course, that is there. But bigger than that is the dignity of a disabled. Because this was not the case 15 years back then when I was a student here. This place also happens to be my alma mater. In 2008, there were no hostel rooms in St. Stephen's College for women. Now, Professor Shankaran, my philosophy teacher, he saw me, he used to see me with a heavy bag and cane and everything. So he asked me, why do you carry this heavy bag? And he was concerned. I told him that I do not have a hostel room, so I stay on my friend's mercies. And amazingly, he went in the principal's office, came back in 5 minutes. Next day I was in hostel. Didn't have to really beg or appeal, let alone running around from pillars to post. And there's a similar story in 2013 when Professor Vibha Maurya accommodated me. She made a seat for me. Didn't even know me personally. I don't think she even saw me. She only knew that I'm a blind person who needs a room to continue her studies. And she could help me, that's all. And that was the messaging being sent out that time, that you ought to be inclusive. These rights and rules in place, the acts and policies will only work when you have the correct mindset.
That is all from us today. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Mask up and stay safe.